evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The government is moving to update the Customs Act. A joint select committee met for the first time today to discuss the issue, and TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The Customs Act was enacted 78 years ago in 1941. Since then, the island has gone through significant changes in logistics and trade. Businesses and consumers are also complaining that the customs laws do not reflect a modern society. That criticism forced the government to consider amendments, but some of the changes have been the subject of fierce criticism from stakeholders who are demanding more.
Even now, after that wide-ranging consultation, I hear from stakeholder groupings their less than satisfied view about what is contained in this bill.
Chairman of the committee, Dr. Nigel Clark, conceded and agreed to another round of consultations.
We'd reference the fact that they have been consulted and they've been a part of the process, and we want in writing there any remaining specific concerns. And we should put a date by which we should receive those in writing. And
stakeholders and other members of the public will have to submit their concerns by January 31. In the meantime, Dr. Clark highlighted that a major part of the bill is simplifying customs processes.
A decision was made to repeal and replace the Customs Act so as to effect a modernization of customs practices and procedures. And the modernization is expected to bring benefits for the trading community and for the Jamaica Customs Agency by improving customs clearance and revenue collection processes, simplifying procedures for business, and providing a more efficient service delivery to the public.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen. The greenback was selling for $134.80. The Canadian dollar, $101.76. The pound is going for $176.73, while the euro is being sold for $151.12. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 4,050 points today, and the junior market index advanced by 100 points. Among the winners, Consolidated Bakeries, Stanley Motor, Seprod, Dolphin Cove, and Proven Investments US dollar shares. On the losing side, we had Mailpac, Lasco Financial Services, Mayberry Investments, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, and Carreras. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.